So I am back again with another video. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you love or hate wash day. It is Sunday, so it is wash day for me. My hair has seen better days. I typically go about a week in between wash days, but definitely need to wash my hair. And I'm super excited because I wanted to try something different. Lately, I've been rocking like voluminous curls, and I wanted to do something that could give me the curls without giving me the heat. So I got this Heatless blowout set from Amazon, and I'm gonna wash and then meet you guys back here to blow dry my hair. We're gonna try these out, and then I'll come back to you guys in the morning and we will see the results. Okay guys, so I am back. My hair is washed, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair how I normally would do. All of the products that I'm using will be listed down below, as well as the rods that I'll be using today. So enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you guys, as I'm blow drying my hair, what actually comes in this kit. It comes with 4 rods for you to wrap your hair with, which are, in my opinion, are jumbo sized, which is really nice. I have long hair and it's definitely thick, so having those big rods I feel like will be super easy and helpful. And it also comes with a satin or silk scarf, if you will, for you to tie your hair up at night. This is extremely helpful because when your hair is tied up, you definitely want to have some type of protection. And it also comes with these super helpful instructions to show you how to actually wrap or curl your hair around the rods. And it also has pictures, which I really like because I'm a visual learner. But this is the silk scarf and it's really nice, so yeah. So yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video and let's check out these results. fully blow dried. Let's apply these and see how they turn out. So I've never applied these before, so I've looked at the manual, and pretty much you just start one at the top, one or two in the middle, and then one in the back. I have a lot of hair, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use all four. Let's start off sectioning, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. So this is what it's looking like, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Honestly, I'm not really good with roller sets or just any of that kind of stuff, so it was a lot easier than what I thought it would be. This part was a little bit tricky because I didn't center it like I thought I did, so it was pulling more so on this side. If I had to say that there was a con, I have like a lot of flyaways that I feel like keep getting in my face, and maybe that's why they have this little satin scarf. So if I'm not mistaken, I feel like you wear it like this. Oh, tell me this is not cute. This is such a vibe. So I'm gonna put this on. I don't think it's gonna stay. I'll probably wind up putting my bonnet on over this, but I definitely could like walk around the house and still feel cute. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna get some rest, and then I'll catch you guys in the morning, and then we can do the final reveal. Okay, so I am back, and if I had to recommend two things, I would not recommend putting the little rods on the sides because I did not sleep a wink, and some of them popped off, so I think I would do the placement differently next time. But I totally forgot that I have a dental appointment and I gotta get out of the house before 7:30, so I've just been scrambling and rushing. So I did my makeup, and now I'm hoping that this doesn't look crazy because I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. So let's take it out and let's see. One thing that I did remember, I have to see if I could, I think I might have rolled the curls the wrong way. Hold on, let me see. Rolling it under. Okay, no, I did it the right way. I was literally laying in bed last night and I was like, or I rolled them in the wrong direction. So it says you roll them towards your face, and that's what I did. So you should be okay. Let's see how this looks. Oh my gosh, like this definitely, I feel like it's looking cute. Okay, so let's do this one. And we're gonna see y'all, because the goal is to look like this. So, I mean, you know, here, giving those vibes. So we're gonna see if we can achieve that. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, I did not roll this. Oh, I did roll this towards face. Okay. Y'all, I'm nervous. Okay. This is the part where I'm like, I feel like let's play around with it a little bit. Do I want to do a side thing? I definitely feel like it's giving, I definitely have volume. We love volume over here. I'm not mad at it. Okay, I have some oil here, just to give it a little bit of shine, because I love good shine. So these are the results. Well, thanks for watching my video, and I would definitely try these again. If I had to rate them, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Not having the heat and having like these soft body curls, I feel like it definitely works. And the curls are really bouncy. Do I feel like this is an option for the girlies that want to put down the flat irons? Absolutely. I definitely feel like I could do this to my hair and I would not miss having the flat irons, just because I do have the curls that I'm looking for, and it does also give volume. A couple of things that I would do differently as far as how, like, the placement of where I rolled them, but this definitely I feel like would be a success. And yeah, like I said, all of the products will be listed down below in the description box. Let me know what you do or what methods you use to avoid heat, because your girl is definitely trying to do that now. I got hair goals that I'm trying to reach. So if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, I just wanted to say thank you. If you like seeing content like this, hit the subscribe button, because you can see way more stuff. That's all that I have for today, and I will see you next time.